Have you ever had an irresistible craving for a banana smoothie, only to face some disappointingly green bananas? Or perhaps you're trying to bake a warm loaf of banana bread. There's that old bunch sitting on your kitchen counter, still more yellow than brown, definitely not ripe enough. Frustrating, isn't it? But what if you could control the ripening process of your bananas, harnessing their natural ethylene gas to ripen them faster? And all this, done with the simplest of equipment, a paper bag. Say hello to your solution, the humble paper bag. When a banana or any other fruit ages, ethylene gas is produced. Enclosing the bananas in a paper bag contains this ethylene, quickening the ripening process. The concept is simple, yet so effective. So next time, don't let your banana cravings or baking plans be thwarted by an underripe bunch. Just reach for that paper bag and let the magic happen. Stay tuned and we'll show you how to master this easy paper bag banana ripening hack. Bathrooms. A necessary part of life, unfortunately one that often falls into disarray. Amid your hastily strewn personal items, there's one item that's particularly difficult to keep organized: the toothbrush. But what if we told you that help might already be lying about your home, masquerading as a humble rubber band? A champion of the rubber band revolution, the toothbrush holder is about to revolutionize your bathroom habits. With just a simple stretch and twist, this little champion transforms your chaotic bathroom into an organized oasis, conveniently fitting around any size toothbrush and easily attaching to a plethora of surfaces. The rubber band toothbrush holder will adapt to your lifestyle, no matter how hectic it may be. Simple, economical, and effective, it's time you hopped on board the rubber band revolution. Open arms, welcoming bathroom counters, and squeaky clean toothbrushes await. Tired of slaving away in the kitchen trying to rid your blender of the remnants of your smoothie concoctions? Well, we've got a wicked hack for you that'll put an end to your blender cleaning woes. It's simple. All you need is some dish soap and water. That's right, folks. No more scrubbing. No more headaches. Just pure, clean blender bliss. Picture this. You've just whipped up a delicious smoothie, but now it's time to tackle the dreaded blender cleanup. You sagely pour a dash of dish soap, fill your blender halfway with warm water, then let it blend away for a few seconds. And voila! Like magic, the stubborn residue disappears, leaving your blender looking as good as new. Oh, and the best part, this hack doesn't just save you scrubbing time. It also gives you more time to enjoy those delicious, healthy smoothies. So raise a glass to this super easy dish soap hack and say goodbye to blender cleanup for good. Ever found yourself frustrated as your favorite blouse, dress, or shirt constantly slips off its hanger and onto the floor? Tired of retracing your steps and fixing your wardrobe every time you reach into your closet? Say goodbye to these slippery situations with a simple trick brought to you right from your home. Our creative DIY solution transforms your regular hangers into non-slip gems, ensuring your clothes stay where they belong, neatly hung in your closet. And the magic ingredient, hot glue. Just add a few horizontal lines of hot glue to the shoulder area of your plastic or wooden hangers. Let it dry, and voila! Your hangers are now equipped to hold even the slinkiest of garments. So why wait? Get that hot glue gun ready and usher in a clutter-free, organized way to store your clothes with this quick closet hack. Imagine you're cozied up in bed or hunched over at the desk, knee-deep in an engaging novel or a critical textbook. Suddenly, you want to lean back, take a sip of your coffee, or simply give your hands a rest. But alas, closing the book is not an option. It seems like you're stuck. But in reality, a simple tool sitting right there on your desk holds the solution. Enter the versatile binder clip, the unsung hero of your study or leisure preoccupation. With this modest office accessory, you can transform your reading experience into a hands-free adventure. Allow me to guide you through this binder clip revolution. In moments, this humble clip will morph into your personal bookstand, perfect for reading, studying, and a whole world of hand-free activities. Say goodbye to tired arms and interrupted reading sessions, and say hello to the ultimate reading hack.